This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson. We have Karina here with us, and Karina's from Brazil, but she's living here in Houston now, and she's been watching us on YouTube. And she has had other chiropractic adjustments and acupuncture done before that really didn't help her that much. So she's been watching our YouTube videos and decided she'd like to come in here and get adjusted. I've already done her orthopedic neurological evaluation, which was fine. She didn't have any abnormal orthopedic or neurological findings. So let's have you close your eyes, Karina, and bend your head forward and backwards for us. Yeah, kinks a little bit right there, didn't it? Yeah. Now see, I can tell she's a side sleeper by her posture. Let me stop at neutral. Her head's a little bit tilted off to the right, and her chin's a little bit forward. You see that? Kind of rocked forward and over to the right there. And then see, you got a little room here. No, don't move your arms. You got a little room here. You don't have that same room over here, so your pelvis is shifted left of center. So this is her first adjustment here at Advanced Chiropractic Relief. So I'm going to adjust her on the BioPhysics table first. So let's go ahead and have you on your tummy. So your family down in Brazil can watch this, huh? Your sister-in-law's a physical therapist.
Yep.
What's her name?
Michelle.
Hey Michelle, this one's for you. Right leg is short by 1/2 inch in this prone position. Now when I bring her legs up, it actually gets even, and that probably tightens up in her lower back right there. Did that tighten up down there in the lower back and pelvis? Yep. So I'm going to adjust her right SI joint first. There. And then the sacrum on the right side, straight superior to inferior. Sacrum right down the center, superior to inferior. And now her left SI. And then I'm going to adjust L5. Straight P to A, L4, L3, L2, and then I'm going to adjust her on that knee chest table for those. There you go. Perfect. There we go. You're going to feel your head popping up a little bit on this next one. There we go. Okay, let's turn you on your back now, please. And head right there. Perfect. Okay. I'm going to bring your head up and back over your shoulders now, Karina. That's it. Now slide down this way and put your arms straight out to the sides, palms facing up. Yep. I'm going to adjust your shoulders, your clavicles where they attach to your sternum, and then your anterior ribs right here. Good. Okay. Now just relax your hands on your tummy. Now she's got her shoes off, so I'm going to adjust her feet. Little piggy went to market. There we go. Yeah, crack eggs are gonna love you. There we go. There. Now you should have felt that all the way up to your lower back, did you?
Yes.
Okay, let's hit you up face that way. That's it. That's it. Girl. Okay. Karina's a tennis player, so she's got some shoulder problems, so that's why I'm adjusting her shoulders, elbows, wrists, hands, and fingers. We get the entire pathway of the nerves because it stimulates a neurological proprioceptive bombardment into the spinal cord, into the cerebellum. Okay, let's come over here on your knees on this table. No, here.
Oh.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
And let's put your face up in here. And I want you just to let your spine kind of relax down in there. Good. Now I'm going to get a contact with my pisiform. Right there.
Aww.
Perfect. Good job. Okay. this table. And we're going to have you lay on your back with your pelvis right there. There, slide up just a little bit for me. There you go. Justin, if you're watching this, we're still waiting on our titanium pins. These pins are getting bent and hard to get in the holes. Does it feel like you're in there tight enough? Not going to get away? Okay. Just let your legs bend and relax naturally. There you go. This is how you should start sleeping, by the way, is on your back with your legs elevated like this. And just put you a clothes basket with a pillow on top of it and duct tape it. That'll keep it solid and keep your legs up like that. Okay, now keep your teeth together. Just breathe through your nose.
Oh my
yeah.
gosh.
Uh-huh.
Oh wow.
That's a wow adjustment.
Ouch.
Good job.
Oh, it's like I can't even breathe. Oh.
Okay, keep breathing for me. There you go. There you go. Well, then we moved earth on that one, didn't we?
Oh my gosh.
The first one's always the worst one because it's breaking loose fibrotic adhesions and scar tissue.
Wow, I don't know if I'll be able to walk right now.
Oh yeah, you'll feel lighter when you get up. Okay, I'm gonna help you up sideways.
Okay.
Bring your legs over here. There we go. Atta girl. Okay.
Wow.
Just stand here, right here in front of the mirror. Okay. Now, I'm going to have you close your eyes again and bend your head forward and backwards. Feel a little taller?
I guess. Still out of breath.
Flex your head forward and backwards again. Remember how this feels. That's smoother already, though. Take a look in the mirror right now compared to before. So your head's not off to the right anymore. And we still got a little space decrease there. So hold your shoulders like this for me. Flare these like this. Now your head's a little forward to the right. So see, we come straight back. Translate left. Now look at the wall behind you. And shift your pelvis straight right. Okay. Yep, way over there. Keep it way, way over there. I'm adjusting your atlas now, which is will send a neurological proprioceptive bombardment into the brainstem and also the cerebellum. Relax. Now try that same thing again and see if this feels any smoother to you than the previous ones. Should feel like I put a little WD-40 in there. Back to neutral. Yep, take a look. See that? Look at how we opened that space up. See the difference?
Yes.
Okay, so our YouTubers are always wanting to know from our new patients how that very first ring dinger feels.
Man, it just, I don't even know how to explain.
It's massive, isn't it?
Yes, it was. I've never felt that before.
Do you feel every single vertebra in your spine moved all the way down?
Yes. Incredible.
Do you feel better than when you walked in the door?
Yes.
So you've had other chiropractic adjustments
Yes.
before. How's this compare?
Oh, it was not, I mean, normally I get in and out in like 5 minutes, you know. It's just basically popping here and like you said, twisting.
Twisting you on your side.
Yes, but I really, really enjoyed that.
Well, good. Good. So this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. And we'll see you soon.